Good morning, dear students. Today we will study, or we are going to study a new lesson. Lesson number 7, Akbar and Birbal. It is a very famous children's story, very simple story. Actually, in your book, it was presented in the form of a drama. Some 4 or 5 students, you can also study this drama. Very interesting and very joke also. A jokeful lesson. Easily we can finish the lesson. Do you know Akbar? Who was Akbar? Akbar is a famous king of India, the great Mughal Empire. In your social studies subject, we already studied about the story, biography of Akbar. Akbar the Great. Akbar is known as the Akbar the Great. Here, who are the characters in this drama? The first is a heroine in this. Akbar. Akbar is a Mughal emperor. Mughal dynasty is empire. Empire means king. Then second is a Birbal. Birbal, one of the Navaratnas of Akbar. In Akbar's court, there are about 9 patients. They are familiar in various fields. And Akbar is one of the Navaratnas of Akbar's court. Then some courtiers. Courtiers means ministers. These are the characters in this drama. We can go to the drama. Once upon a time, Jalaluddin Akbar, the great emperor of Mughal dynasty, was sitting on his Taktitus surrounded by his courtiers. All of them were known for their wit and wisdom. Akbar was in a jolly mood and he thought of testing their intelligence. It was this incident, the drama, that was happened in the Akbar's palace or Akbar's court. Once upon a time, all the names one day, Jalaluddin Akbar, that is the full name of Akbar, Jalaluddin Akbar, the great. Who is Akbar? The great emperor of Mughal dynasty, was sitting on his Taktitus king's chair in the palace, Arabic word, surrounded by his courtiers. Courtiers is also sitting around the Akbar. Courtiers means the ministers. And all of them were known for their wit and wisdom. And all these courtiers, all these ministers, they are famous for wisdom. Wisdom means knowledge or intelligence. And joke also. Wit, W-I-T. W-I-T, wit means joke. Akbar was in a jolly mood. J-O-L-L-I. Jolly means happy. The Akbar was very happy mood. And he thought of testing their intelligence. Today, Akbar wanted to check his courtiers' intelligence, wisdom and wit. Akbar, there is a problem in my mind that I am unable to solve. Akbar said to his courtiers, there is a problem in my mind. I cannot solve that problem. Courtiers, tell us the problem, Your Majesty. We will try to solve it. I will do that. The courtiers said that, please tell us your problem. What was your problem? If you tell us, we will try to solve that problem. Tell us the problem. Tell us. Us means the courtiers. Tell your problem to us. Tell us the problem, Your Majesty, and we will try to solve it. I will do it. Akbar, I will do it. That. Yes, I will do that. What I will say to you, that I will say to you. He took a piece of paper and drew a line on it. He showed this to the courtiers. He took a paper and he drew a line on it. He just took a paper and drew a line on it. Just only line in a paper. And he showed the paper in front of the courtiers. Akbar, how can we make this line shorter? That is the question. That is the problem. I cannot solve it. Can you solve it? Akbar told to Kotesh, how can you make this line shorter? One quarter. It is very simple. We can rough off a part of it using magistrate. And one courtier said that we can short this line by rough off some part of the line. Like that. Now the line became shorter. It is very simple. We can rough off a part of it, your majesty. Akbar, no, you can't rough it. Yes, you can rough it. Okay. Again, you cannot rough it. Then another minister, can we tear off a piece from the people? Tear off himself. Can we cut the paper into two pieces? Then one part of the line in one paper, one piece of paper, another part of the line maybe in the another piece of that paper. So can we tear off a piece from the paper? And actually the courtiers, they are saying some solutions. The Akbar, no, you cannot do that either. You cannot cut the paper into two pieces. The courtiers were perplexed means confused. Exceeding. The courtiers were perplexed. They sank into thoughts but didn't know how to solve the problem. They sank. They sank into the thought. They made the thought in their mind to how to solve the problem. On the other hand, Birbal was smiling in a corner but didn't say anything. At that time, the Birbal, he was sitting in the corner of the court. The builder was smiling. He did not say anything. He only just watched and the talking between the court, talking between the king and the courtiers. The courtiers were perplexed. They sank into thoughts but they didn't know how to solve the problems. On the other hand, Birbal was smiling in a corner but he didn't say anything. Akbar asked the Birbal, can you make this line shorter? Birbal, yes, your majesty, I can. Yes, I can solve this problem. Birbal replied that I can do this. I make the line shorter. Akbar, show us how. Birbal took the paper from the emperor and drew another line which was longer than the first line. And Birbal took the paper from the emperor's hand and he drew another big line just near the Akbar's line, like that. Listen here. Birbal drew another line just near the Akbar's line, and this is Akbar's line, this is Birbal's line. Now Akbar's line become shorter. The king embraced this line, first line become shorter after drawing this big line. That was the technique, which was longer than the first one. He showed it to the emperor and said, "See, your majesty, I have made your line shorter." Akbar was very impressed by his intelligence and said, "Birbal, you are really sharp and prompt." Akbar became very happy. He said to Birbal, "You are very intelligent, you are very sharp, you are really sharp and prompt." Prompt means proud. Then, this is the first incident, first part. Then second part. On another occasion, Akbar tried to outwit Birbal and Birbal again outwitted him. This was what happened. Next, Akbar is also tried to get some more jokes from the Birbal, and he was also made some other planning to get some bit from the Birbal. One day, the Birbal did not come to the court of Akbar and did not inform any reason for his absence. One day, according to the rule, every day a courtier must come to the king's palace. That's compulsory. But one day, Birbal did not come to the court. Actually, he did not inform to the king. One day Birbal did not come to the court of Akbar and did not inform any reason for his absence. So the great emperor became angry with Birbal. The great emperor became angry with Birbal and thought of punishing him. The Akbar thought that give some punishment to the Birbal. He put him in prison. The Akbar put the Birbal into the prison. Prison means jail. J-A-I-L. After a few days, after some days, the emperor went to inspect the prison. The emperor, the Akbar, he visited the jail. There he glanced at the Birbal, who was looking pale and gloomy. There, the Akbar saw him, saw him, Birbal. He was very gloomy. He was very gloomy means he was sad, not happy. Akbar felt sorry for him. Akbar said, sorry. Akbar, I will set you free on one condition. I will set you free on one condition. Birbal didn't say anything and looked at his face. Akbar, the condition is that you bring me a horse which is neither black nor brown, neither grey nor white in color. Actually, these are the colors of the horse. And I wanted to bring a horse that color neither black. Don't bring a black color horse. Don't bring a brown color horse. Don't bring a grey color horse. Don't bring a white color. White color not allowed, grey color not allowed, brown color not allowed, and black color not allowed. And you should bring any other colors. Any other colors horse. Actually, any other color is not available. That is a reality, real fact. Birbal thought for a while. If your majesty will let me out of prison, so I promise to bring such a horse. If you set me free, I will bring it. Akbar, okay, I will set you free. And if you promise to bring a horse by the end of this month, but you should make a promise this end of the month, you should bring that horse. After a week, Birbal came back to the emperor. But Birbal said, after 1 month, actually I don't want 1 month, I don't want to do 1 week. After 1 week, I will bring it. Birbal, Your Majesty, I have found the horse that is neither black, nor brown, nor white, nor grey. After a week, it took only 1 week, the Birbal again came to the king's court. And Birbal said to Akbar, Your Majesty, I already arranged one horse. That horse color is not brown or not black like that, nor white nor grey. Akbar, where is it? Birbal, please send me a man to fetch it. Please send one security man to catch, to fetch, to bring the horse. But you must not send him on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday or Saturday. You may send him on another day. But you should not send that person Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday or Friday or Saturday. Any another day. Actually, there is no any another day. That is a joke. Any another day, you can send this person to bring the horse. Akbar smiling, very clever Birbal. Once again, I had like you to my minister. Once again, once again, this is a joke in this drama. Very clever Birbal. Once again, I had like you to be very much minister. I very much like you as a minister. You are very witty and you have also a very good quality of joke and wisdom also. The Akbar lastly appreciated the wisdom of Birbal. This is the explanation of the drama. And based upon the lessons, you will get some word meaning, some questions also, around 5 questions, very simple questions. The true or false, wait for tick the correct word. Enough. It's very simple. Then grammar in news also, filling some blank spaces with articles. Articles choose. Then with was or where, all are very simple. Okay. You can easily study this lesson. Okay. The next day, we will meet again with another lesson. You study the lesson very well in your home. Thanks for a lot for watching this video. God bless you.